forward, move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 no God for that reason. Move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 forward ever, backward never. Of a second demand, we know. Forward ever, backward never. Shaibu self na demand, we know. Edo must move forward, move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 no God for that reason. Move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 forward ever, backward never. Of a second demand, we know. Forward ever, backward never. Shaibu self na demand, we know. Edo must move forward, move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 no God for that reason. Move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 hey, they call me franchise, Peter Production. Yo, yo, yo. My people, a beautiful morning to everyone. Thank you for joining this morning broadcast. I know I didn't notify you guys that I was coming online. Thank you for joining. Please share this broadcast. I have a very short message for Edo people all over the world. Please share and invite. Let me play this song again. Edo must move forward, yo. Move forward, yo. Backward never, yo. Yo, yo, yo. No Godfather reason, yo. Move forward, yo. Backward never, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Edo must move forward, move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 no God for that reason. Move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 forward ever, backward never. Of a second demand, we know. Forward ever, backward never. Shaibu self na demand, we know. Edo must move forward, move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 no God for that reason. Move forward, backward never. Yo, 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 forward ever, backward never. Of a second demand, we know. Forward ever, backward never. Shaibu self na demand, we know. Edo must move forward, move forward, backward never. Yes, for my people that are going to their respective job this morning, let me quickly do this. There is a sigh of relief. There is a sigh of excitement in the air in Edo State. I drove around the city yesterday. I saw the return of hustling and bustling. I saw people trying to catch bus to work. I see some people going to the bank. I saw people going to their respective offices. I was happy because for 1 week, these people, they were locked inside. Even before the curfew, people stopped coming out. Immediately, hoodlum hijacked the NSAS protest. People stopped going out. They stayed indoor. They were indoor for almost 2 weeks. And in Nigeria, where you don't have constant electricity, where sometimes you don't even have money to fuel your generator, it's not funny. Why we have some of our people in diaspora fueling the crisis here, because they have 24 hours uninterrupted power supply. They have almost free internet. They have a lot to keep them busy, to keep them busy, to keep them entertaining. But over here, it's not easy. It's even easy somewhere maybe in GRA, but in areas like Upper Sakpomba, some part of Bowo, Ubioko Oasis, down Saple Road, where most times people don't even get light. It's not easy. So I was happy to see my people moving around yesterday, trying to do one or two things, trying to make ends meet. Please, our problem in this state is incitement, and it's political. The incitement in the air in Edo State today is political. It is satanic to incite others against somebody you don't like. It is satanic for you to incite others against somebody you have political issues with. When we were doing campaigning some months ago, I told people, I said, EPM, stop this noise, stop this harassment, stop this trying to bring federal SARS to pick people in Benin. Send the people to the field. There is nobody in EPM today that campaigned, from Isaiah Mugorich, the last person, that campaigned the way I did. I'm not the only person that campaigned for His Excellency. But there is nobody in even EPM, they know. APC people, they know. PDP, they know. There is nobody online and on land. As I travel sometimes with governor to different ward to campaign, and now they send the other of my team to different local government. Look, we campaigned in nine local government, nine field marshals, 9. Because I knew the only way to get my principal to win is to put in my all, in capital letter, all. That time they spent the bulk of their time castigating me, insulting the governor, than going to the streets to woo voters. They thought they were going to rig. They rely on rigging. They thought Buhari was going to allow them bring soldiers, bring fake DSS. They thought Buhari was going to allow them use a fake army uniform to perpetrate evil, to rig election. That is why during this whole struggle, even when people were saying end SARS, I stood for end SARS. Tomorrow, I stood for end SARS. But when they hijacked it and turned it to end Buhari, I pulled out immediately. That's why you see that this issue that I'm having with Stainless is doing now. I still get, there are people that are talking to her. I send them, please delete that post on my server. Because yes, during the campaign, we not about. If I want to really pay Stainless, if I give Stainless 10 million naira, it's not enough for what she did. Many people, they say message about now wow, and when people like us there, I told them, I say, listen to me, go watch our videos during the campaign. You know, feed one people like them, Venivier, they fall out. So that's why, I believe one day she will realize herself. I know what President Muhammadu Buhari do for Edo. He did not rig election in Edo. He did not support Obaseki. He supported his party. I'm sure you both saw how EPM celebrated Isaiah Mu's visit to President Muhammadu Buhari. Internet burst. That's why they come for phone. But shame on you. Shebi you don't talk again. Shebi you don't see the video where Isaiah Mu go see Buhari. Shame on you. We not go hate for this election. We not go hate. Shebi don't say we go learn new thing. Now we not go learn new thing. We not go hate. On that day you not go vote. On that day we know your voting center. And they threaten. If I publish the threat when I get during the election, the different proxy accounts that they threaten me, many of them for not come out. Many of them for not like many if you not even come out campaign. A department was created in EPM to just threaten people. Now their work, they get fake phone numbers when they threaten people. Their work was to wake up in the morning. They say, "A phone number guy now walk one here. Come. What am I just there? She be they talking here. She be they talking here. So we dey talk area. For this Benin, you go, hey, we don't know your house. They go describe your house. They go describe your place of work. Go catch you. Even my own cracking, my field marshals, if we dey meeting, I don't tell them the amount of threat messages, calls when I get. I don't go put fear for their body because I know they are empty threats. Empty threats. But I don't be coward. I told myself, I said, even if they succeed in taking my enemy, in killing my enemy, trust me, I will not regret anywhere. Because I don't know whether heaven day, I don't know whether hell day. I don't know if person die, I don't know how they be. So many people not tell me, so if you die, say how they be. I say, if in this course something happened to me, I have no regret. But I don't really leave instructions behind. And I still continue to communicate to people that are close to me. If anything happens to me, there are people that have been inciting people against me. Make sure no cockroach. Make sure no cockroach. Cockroach, oh, and also make sure no cockroach breeds for their respective homes. If you wake up and say something happened to me, don't go police station. Don't go police station. Make sure say they are found these people. Because I don't know who they will send, but I know those that are inciting people against me. Many people were just ready to take me. Many people were ready to kill my enemy just to go get glory. Say, about no disturb him, I take care of any. If I don't know, if my family, my friends, my supporters, my people, I get my own people. Say they don't fit no people when come hit me. There are no people who incite people to hit me. They are family houses. They are all houses. Cockroach not go breathe in 24 hours. That was the instruction I left behind. And the instruction when I give people, when I tell my people, I said, me, I am never in support of politics of violence. I am never in support of say opposition he will work bear. Never. I am not in support of. I believe in you have your mouth. Talk your own, I talk my own. Talk your own, I talk my own. I go a campaign. Maybe I don't wake up this early morning now. They talk. You also wake up this early morning. Talk your own. If I come at afternoon, you should still come and talk your own. If people listen to you for 1 hour, you must get like 5 people who don't like you. Will say, because the way this guy did the campaign, make I go support the candidate. So my people, the reason why I come this morning is because I want Edo to move forward. Like I told you some days ago, I started hustling in my JSS2 MK1 hustle. I'm a born hustler. I don't beg for food. That is why you can hardly see me online. One of few friends when they reach out, you can hardly see me online say, I can't do something, can't put my account. Because when you're already used to people giving you money to eat, you become a beggar for life. That is why General Sage is struggling. That is why his heart is full of hate. His heart is full of sadness. He's not a happy man. He's not a fulfilled man. Because he survives by taking from people. That when you now create platform to always take from people to eat, you become a life beggar. So I try my best not to. I'm a born hustler. I was in the university when I paid school fees for my younger ones. Many people know me. That's why there are people who will grow together. None of them they insult me for Facebook. Unless some just they naturally want they envious. Because they feel say with the way I tell they do politics, they feel say I can make money. They not believe say my closeness to people in power will close like this. Say nah but nah. Well yeah where they don't know. That's sincerity of purpose. I've been a born hustler. I've been a born hustler. I am here to have a live video. What politics is doing to me now is that politics is not allowing me to work. That is my pain. That is my pain. There is serious money in real estate. There is serious money in media. There is serious money in buying and selling of cars. I have people in America, in Canada, that want to flood Edo with cars. They have even called me. About why I will be politics. You have a platform to market. If I am not doing politics, let me tell you something. I'm a hustler. I have people that believe in me. If I'm not doing politics and I say I want to do business, I know what I'm going to get. So whatever you see me do is not for my selfish interest. I woke up this morning, 3 o'clock. When you make me wake up, people when they follow me, how do I pay them at the end of this month? Because we never make money. Since this crisis now, you are not seeing me advertise any property. It's distracting me madly. But I always why I am still here is the bigger picture. I can afford to suffer. Few people around me can also afford to manage. But I will not watch the state go down. I will not watch them destroy the state. I know my other brother is always like, I go about to go ahead where politics now. Some of you will not ask questions for inside government house. No, Dusty no. Every year, governor is my political father. He's been very nice to me. I told someone that the day the governor paid for my loyalty in full was the day he walked into my wedding reception. I don't pay. Governor, I know I say no. It was an egg one, if it take time. This thing that I'm doing now, you're surprised that when governor become president of this country, or when he become the vice president of this country, now he go say, how about you think that time when when you did fight, everybody is sorting because of me. He said, I'm not a seer, or I'm not a hearer. I believe in long term. I don't believe in eating today. Today. Before now, activism used to be very, very good in Edo. But since social media come, since the diaspora, they see people, they do live video, they send them money, they can spoil all our activists. That all they do now is money. They are looking for what to do to collect money from people. So my people, let us stop this incitement. I will not incite anybody against you. That's why I have stopped mentioning names. If you notice, I don't want to mention names. Stop this incitement. Somebody sent me a video of one whether Enoge this thing. I couldn't stand watching him. Just do a full video and you just incite people against me. And you believe people see me tomorrow, they break my head, they go sleep nobody will sleep for your house. Una feel because una there abroad, una feel hide behind one cheap mobile phone. Talk to me anyhow. If you incite people against me and something happens to me, we have a head. Why we no here or we no here or we no there? You supported PO, I supported Obaseki. Since Nake with a video, I have never mentioned your name. You just do video, mention about you are inciting people. I've never done a live video and say, I won't do that. And most of the time, he might have a picture of the way how John is sleeping with this woman. I never do it. Even when people they tell me this, I say, if you don't have evidence to show me, see this kind of thing they happen. Not give me this kind of information. So if you feel say you there abroad, if you talk anyhow, many of you now, it decided in here why I'll tell you, I say the two schools, the two higher institutions when I go, and my parents they don't waste the money. I will make sure where Imana before he gets the 5 million, I will extradite you people to Nigeria. All I just need to do is to institute a case against you, pay for your flight. I will teach you people this next 4 years. If you feel you can hide behind any camera to incite people against me, for people to attack me, why me be here why? For me, I'm exposed. I don't hide. I don't hide. So what people do is, let's incite the people against Abat. Maybe when you have a fake, that's what August. I won't go after those mob. I will go after you people that have been inciting people against me. It's a strategy to take me out. It's a strategy. The whole meeting recently, my matter was well discussed. There is nothing they can do in this second term if they don't take Abat Obaze out. If I decide to go extra mile to protect my principal, because he's better. Everybody know he's better. Across party lines, everybody know who is better. Everybody know. If you put his name for you, you pour basket for you. Even you when they insult me, I when we were there, choose up, me all when we here choose. So stop the incitement. Now you people have incited young youths now to go and loot people houses, loot people properties now. Then CID now, they are trying them down. You hide. You have incited them to go commit crime. To go loot person warehouse. Most of all these Igbo men will get warehouses everywhere. And low Igbo men take risk. Now low they tell they do business. They are not really that rich. They are low. I collect 50 million. I cannot go China. If I sell, come back. If I sell this goods, say I want to sell them within 1 month, I will make 60 million. I want y'all do a sharp. My your quick seller, or say on that 1 week, I will make 3 million. Let me just quickly go. If I remove my flight, I will make this one. That is Igbo man for you. They can't gather money. Maybe after 10 years, 20 years, 25, 30, they are boa. They can go build. This man now lie. Don't go and loot his warehouse. Don't go put up for problem. Don't go make bank seize his house. Don't go make bank seize what he put as collateral. Stop inciting people to commit crime. You go and lead. Just like I saw Jared Tenebe in a WhatsApp group telling people there's palliative here, and you don't see up in front of the people who want to go loot those houses. If it's there Abuja, if people there abroad, they incite people. Don't incite people to commit crime. Please don't incite people to commit crime. If you want to commit crime, just go by yourself. Just go by yourself. Lead. That's why I told you, Pastor, during the NSAS, I supported the NSAS protest. I don't lead because I hate to lead from the back. If I am leading at the front, all the rally we will see during the campaign, now see me hide. Now fraud. Obaseki 4+4. Obaseki 4+4. As me they run, my people they run follow me. I am a leader. I don't need you to tell me. I am a leader. I lead people. I lead good people. I don't lead hoodlums. I don't lead cultists. I lead good people. I have young, sound youths that are with me. My prayer every day is for God to give me opportunity to position them. That is my prayer. And it's part of why I'm affiliated to this government. So that if there's any opening, I get one guy who only graduate to Abe, will feel your putting name. That is why. I want to empower people. I don't want to empower myself. So if I want to empower myself, I won't be here. So one of these live video may not talk something. Please. When Stainless, they support us, people were threatening Stainless mother. They got Stainless mama house. Go threaten Stainless mama. Stainless call me. She even record one of the conversation. They are very good at recording people, which I don't do. You were during that period, when we were recording, at that time I needed to reach out to them, and I have no regrets. They all did very well, all of them, all. Yeah, we now say have some we full year where they shaking us up and down. Still they walk. Which walk they walk? Many of them are playing safe. Some attack yeah, or Korea like that. And the governor is a good man. He's a good man. But when they really need to fall out for the governor, we know ourselves. We are all in this game. And sometimes they'll say, about they do. About the blessing ain't like governor pass. This is me. This is about Obaze. When I'm with you, I'm with you. When I hate you, I tell you. If I like you, I will deal with you. He pretend. That's why I easily quarrel with my friends. My friends with the quarrel steady. If you do me something, I'll tell you. You can't have a friend. Any friend when you get will not they offend you. A bad friend. And the day when he go offend you, if he even lead to your death. I make it an agui. If you and your wife is for 24 hours, what must an argument? I beg Joe, that's why it be. If the marriage is sincere, you are sincere to both sides. No, we say now they fake. So the incitement is enough. It's enough. It's enough, please. It's enough. If you don't like Obaseki, do a live video. Tell us why you don't like him. Or if there are areas you want him to work, do a live video. Go video around, upload down. Now me go even carry on. Say, yeah, you just in this area. See, constructive criticism. Any area you want the government to improve, use this your social media platform to drive development to your area. Like me now, me don't itemize some area when I want to make this government work before this 4 years finish by the grace of God. So that if the government of Pani was sick, governor want to make any Ruda governor to Upona. That is why I'm in politics. So please, my people, don't incite anybody. Why incite him? If you hate somebody, carry cutlass, go meet her for house. By yourself. Not go say on people and say, Abatina, you don't too much. You don't too much. I say some boys toss anywhere they cash and they want to enter. Hey, you don't too much. You don't too much. No, you don't do that. If you don't like me, look for me. Look for me. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. You have still a second now with Larry. It's a strategy to make you shut up. But since you already know where this threat is coming from, you already know people that went to your mother's house. But that should not stop you from doing what you are doing. Don't take it personal. Since we have a relationship before now. But that shouldn't stop you from doing what you need to do for who you believe in to work. So stop the incitement. Why I need mobilize? Someone sending me a message. How about I am not happy? I'm so disappointed. They have palliative. Do you know how much I sent to my people to print cap, to rent DJ? Hey, stop. Stop. Who is perfect? Let's assume say they hold the palliative. Okay, you don't ask yourself why they hold this palliative. You never get money for pocket. Your wife will call you say, honey, I think we need to do this. You say, please, I don't have money now. Please, let's do it next week. Let's do it next month. This thing can wait. But only you have money now. Where I have money, does that mean this thing can wait? You can hold things for a reason. If you let's agree, you say they hold down. What if they hold down to buy joint? Because everybody will go there talk and say no. Ebu or say they like a loot other things. Let's assume, let me agree with you, say they hold down. You don't ask us to say they hold down to buy put, or they hold down to give people when you never reach your hand. If you share food now for Ring Road now, you go share food. Somebody will collect food. You say everybody's take you. Somebody will collect food. He will go back. He will go hide down. If you will get another shirt, he will remove and wear another shirt. He will cost take you again. You say, but no, not be me. Not be me. You don't say, who you give yourself? Like, wear red, this one, wear white. That is Nigeria for you. That is Nigeria for you. That is Nigeria for you. So what if maybe, let's assume, let me agree with you, what if they hold down? Maybe the COVID will bring and come, and then they put out. Maybe they still bring and come with maybe other medical items, maybe sanitizer, face mask, and many other things. Then maybe the food they can put on one side, go put this thing. What if they put on there to say, let's restock? Because those who carry, go ask them. The rice where they not even reach 100. It was mainly Indomie and some pack, which was written COVID. What if they hold down to buy joy before they share again? Governor don't do first batch. He do first batch of palliative distribution. He do second. 3 times that government don't share palliative. It got to a point they can't share. They can't get a list of churches, organizations. I cover around that time. When I cover around that time, as soon as they enter online, they insult me. So what if it was hoarded for them to buy joy because of Marabo? What if it was not hoarded? Say not be Edo State government even get right to distribute them. Say maybe in a federal ministry. What if the items it get specific area, maybe or IDP or some specific area where they say may they carry and go. So even so, are you not saying that government not even get right to say this is our warehouse? Let's put things in case of emergency. Anytime you hear a heavy downpour, then you constantly rain, they carry people. Now they see government officials, they go give them relief materials. Using that money, they buy those relief materials. Now from store, the man in charge, Honorable Yakubu Gowon, is my friend. I don't follow them many times. I don't know where he was even chatting. Was it SSG that day to say we have this for store? We not get this one. We not get oil. We not get foam. We need to give them foam. Because many of them don't even get where to sleep today. We need to give them this one. I saw him talking with SSG one day. Get one area when they rain. Kenwa Road. I will post the video. So the new culture now is if you just see anywhere government they keep things, go and loot. What if those palliative, they want carry some go Edo North, they want carry some go Edo Central, they want carry them because you may say now let people when they wear that palliative, they now they hungry for Edo. So please let us calm down. Let us calm down. What the opposition, what the enemies of this government that we have defeated during that election, they are not looking for where the governor is doing well. They are looking for excuse. Once they all get one little mistake, nobody is infallible. Once they all get one little thing, they all take her to the public. Oh yeah, call Chrisosa, call John Mayaki, call Harry Potter, call this one, call Eunice, call Ashama. Oh yeah, wanna go blow. They will now blow it out of proportion. There's some of you, I want to think for yourself. Now you're for put. I will ask question. For 4 years, the governor will not be. He will not be perfect. It cannot be perfect. I wish I want to make it perfect. If I find like Ramsey Noah, Abi, because the kind of brain where governor get Ramsey Noah not get her. But I did very sure say Ramsey Noah 5%. Abi, now my opinion be this. But the brain where governor get Ramsey Noah not get her. They talk about my phone. You get the way me for I for be babe. I for be babe. I for like to be babe. I for like to be babe and I for fine. And I for prove to men say you fine. Not me say you go spoil. So please, you'll be like me now. When I will see series of blackmail, now I will see when they come up. They will never give up. That is politics for you. There must be opposition. But the kind of opposition I am praying for Edo to have is opposition that will constructively checkmate the system. Monitor transactions. Monitor top government officials. If government award contract, go there. Go see whether the contractor they do and where. Blow alarm. You understand? Now that kind of opposition we want. Check whether social ministry, the commissioner, they check chop money. Check whether the local government chairman, they chop money. Check constructive, because this money, now me and you get her. Not be any government official get her. It's our money. Sometimes you never give your wife money to go do shopping. She'll come back. Because anyway, at the level, it's a fee now. She fit come bring one item, we swallow your money. She'll say, this thing, the price don't change. This morning I was asking my wife how much is carton of coffee, turkey. As of last week, carton of turkey was 20,000 naira. Because of this protest, it's now 28,000. It's like this money. So people want to do party this weekend, they want to do burial, do wedding. They're in trouble already. Now I bet the night go how I will. So you don't just see somebody just conclude. If you be man, you know your wife close. You now don't go. She don't do shop because anyway, why are you 50,000 the level? Oh baby, this one. No. You must ask. If government say this year you are spending 100 billion as a budget, as opposition, you need to follow up, track contract, track transactions. Make sure there is accountability. Don't come online and start telling people to say, why you governor my beer, no. Why you we don't get leaked for House of Assembly. If we are able to reduce his popularity, then they will just impeach her, then they will put our man, then the next election they will conduct and we go win. No, shouldn't be about you. Should be about the people, the state. That's why many people we no go school. When they easily they feel misinformed. Now them people like them genocide they feel control. They not them. Don't they feel me? The people who go school, the elites, the ones who don't go school, we get that natural wisdom. When God bless with that wisdom, they feel me. That's why as many people insult me in the last 3 days. People they will not insult me. They were waiting for me to speak. They were waiting to say, "Get down here, bat." Please share this broadcast. Please, I need 1,000 shares. If you believe in me and they happy with waiting at the top, they happy with waiting the places. I need 1,000 shares. Give me 1,000. Just share 1K. So stop the incitement, please. Allow. Don't move forward. If I get road to my house, you will watch me. Your mouth will not get road to our house. So the only thing you suppose to do me to say, but I'm not close to government to make money. I'm close to government to make impact, to affect lives, to do something, to drag the governor to areas where no office see. Some for the time they do office, not every time they do street. One of those say, this area bad, Somebody call me yesterday, say about work on your relationship with people. Say many people don't like you. I told the person, I said, I will not work on my relationship with people. Now so I be, and that's why I will be. If they don't like me, now they are headache. Because if I want me to like me, the artist will not feel they talk again. I call it say, leader, Melissa, call it like this. Hey, but I won't do that. I won't do that. So please stop the incitement. Again, don't move forward. A lot day when government want to. A lot. Imagine the next 4 years say gele work. Imagine the next 4 years say Osiomo war they can increase them from 55 to 600. Now I don't want the power neighboring states. Industries will relocate. Say I don't have to reform 7 electricity. The country where the government they create job, they create enabling environment for business to strive. So my people, don't incite anybody. If you are doing live video, you want to insult the governor. Insult and say, governor, I want to insult you today. Don't this role you don't do. Don't insult him because you hate him. Somebody pay you to insult him. So please, people are just like yesterday. Now somebody tell me, I got mails. About if we I wish we catch you during that protest. I told the guys, come. Don't make that mistake anywhere. No matter how you vex or person rich, because sometimes when we speak the truth, they'll say, governor, because they support governor because it's benefiting from the government. Any are benefit here. Any are benefit here. Then I benefit. Oh, I like politics. I'm not in politics to benefit. I'm in politics to make impact, to do something. Because I believe over the years, quacks not too much, illiterate not too much. Illiterate don't to take over the political space. So that's why I am always begging people, go to your local government, go to your ward, go join. It must not be PDP, it must not be APC. Participate so that we can remove these bad people from our politics. Participate. Be part of decision making from your local government. You're supposed to have voice to councillor who are going to represent you. How can somebody just wake up and give you councillor to say walk here or not here? The only way why they do it because you don't participate. You know they go meeting. If you come to you say no equal, free and fair. Everybody, if you get interest, or you line up, or or show it for. Queue behind who will feel represent us at the local government, at the ward level, at the local government level, House of Assembly, council chairman, participate. Participate. That's why I'm here. Participate. Many of my young friends, when they dash money way back, they are all multi-millionaires now. And they call me, why they do politics? I told them, I want to be part. If I want American visa today, I will get it. There are 1,001 of my friends that will send me invitation. Same with Canada. It's okay, to enter Canada and through school, I need to pay school fees. You need to do this one. If I say I want to call 10 people to raise 5 million for me to pay, maybe for me to go do masters for Canada, they did there. But why I'm here is because I don't want wrong. I don't want wrong for my state because people they do nonsense. Let's bring in people. If you're in America, anywhere you ask to enter Nigeria, first what you go do, try you don't meet with your family, go join political party, go register and get your PVC. That is your power. That is your power. Don't pay people to hate me. Don't pay people to hate the governor. Pay people to go and inspect project to see if the contractor is doing well. You know how many contractors me want send go jail? Not be me want send them go jail. I will expose them. Government will send them go jail. This government, this second term. So not that inside will against me or maybe say not me not say so correct or people come look for me. My family or my people come say na you. Cause you the way they say if we catch that bad, this second term, you know go funny. Oh. If you be government official or you be contractor, if you don't want to do the job to specification, no go apply. Because I will come there with my camera. Pay people to checkmate government appointees. Obviously, it cannot be everywhere. Please, I am begging. Checkmate your councillor, checkmate your council chairman, checkmate your commissioner. Checkmate your House of Assembly member. I said now let governor day. What about House of Assembly members? What about council chairman? What about 192 councillors? Now let Nigeria when they say councillors on the fifth grade road these days. When I was going on, councillors they grade roads. Councillor is earning over 350,000 naira in a month. And most of the time, now they go sitting in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then they get out to do other businesses. Why can't they give back to their people? Why? So please, I am begging, enough of the violence, enough of the moves to destabilize the state. Enough. Please, I am begging. Don't allow people push you to hate the governor. Don't allow. As I talk, not everybody. As I talk against Isaiah Murish, not everybody hates him. But I never went into his personal life. Will they get many information? The ones when I not feel prove, I not publish on one day. I want to put many people like them, Harry Potter for problem, then John Mayaki. They were too desperate that they were writing nonsense. So please, my people, view boy Obaseki, if I can swear, Obaseki, my man is so my way. Man is so my way. I swear my way. Your best thing. Ana view boy your yeki. When we have boy yeki, we no ya win. Mana continue. If woman full leg buwa. Obaseki be na gwana. He's loyal to the people. Now pull am come for Shomole hand. Pull am for all these APC, EPM leaders' hand. Una Kotla say, hey, power belong to the people. Una pull am, una deliver am. Why they be sway again? Because those people, they will fight him back. They are not happy. And now you went now when deliver him, now they want to fight him back. So give him time, protect him. Okay, you don't do this one well, but we need to do one well. Channel our grievances properly. Don't go online and start insulting. We are insulting 18 since. So please, my people, I am begging. I am begging. I beg at the beg. Why get lower than Mobaseki Boto? Am I swearing for second term? Am I rich of a cabinet? Am I the new set of people not here engage? Am I swearing all this yogo that to stop the swearing in November 12? Are you friend of Keruru? I can swear. So please, Masaki my whole day by a government boom, a government on large, or my whole day by take this to the bank. Or Masaki not feel hot food. Governor Masaki not feel hot food. It not fit how food. What is food? How much? It not feel hot food. It's not possible. So allow. If you don't see whether they talk nonsense, come out there. If you see any WhatsApp where they say food there, you wanna go, please remove yourself from that WhatsApp before they call police. Because people in this state they will go born. Some days say they some day DSS. There are some that they need to thoroughly investigate. Some that they call them, then they cry. This is yesterday. Any WhatsApp group where they are talking about so person, they are inciting. Remove yourself from there. Because they are not investigating WhatsApp groups. They are if you say you can hide behind Prosy, you also understand. You get one Sophia where you're the right nonsense since for many days. Now Prosy, the person is a coward. If the person often use the real account and insult me, now why they use Prosy? So please, everybody, have your boy your Paseki. So why do you 1,000 shares in there? Why you know the governor more than give me 1,000 shares? So it's what you said again, your people they are back. Let's prepare for Alagodaro. Let's prepare for the swearing. After swearing him, let's see how the governor will transform Edo. Can all say on our way we do continue. Thank you and good morning. Share this broadcast. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be back again tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. God bless you.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.